If you've been wondering how to land your first client in 2025, or if you're already a video editor and want to level up your video editing game, then you need to watch this video. I've landed countless clients throughout the years as a freelance video editor, and I'm going to explain to you my top way how you can land a client. So I'm going to take you through the method which I landed my third client with, and I still work with him till this day. So let's jump straight into it. Step number 1, grab your phone. Yes, you heard that right, and you want to start with pulling up the TikTok application. And what I want you to do is open your For You page and start scrolling. And this isn't for entertainment, it's to see potential opportunities. As you scroll, you want to look for business owners or content creators and see what content catches your eye. And pay attention if these business owners may need a video editor. I didn't state this in the video, but you definitely want to lean more towards business owners like real estate agents, online fitness coaches. If you see any companies like this online, you definitely want to reach more towards them. And as you're looking across someone's profile, if you can tell they do not have a business, then don't waste your time making a free edit, because it most likely won't turn out if they do not have a business already. So definitely be smart about who you reach out to, but also be passionate about the content you're going to be editing for. So keep this all in mind. If you see someone creating great content that has great value, but the editing is just a bit off, then this is where you can come in. Step number 2, research and engage. Check out their social media pages. So if you found them on TikTok, then you want to potentially go find them on Instagram, engage with their content, follow them, and leave comments on their videos, especially if it's something that you can relate to. And even better, if they have a YouTube channel and if they have long form content, then you can take that and edit a free piece for them. If so, then you want to edit it like it's your own project. Make it engaging, make it stand out, use their brand colors, and after you edit this free video, you are going to send it over to them and let them use it on their social media accounts. And you're doing this all for free. That may sound wild to do something for free, but stick with me. When you're starting out as a freelance video editor, offering free work is the best thing you can do, because it puts your name out there and it gets you a step ahead of other people. Because some people are so stubborn that they just won't do something for free, but us, we don't do that. And if they unfortunately don't have any YouTube content, you can still DM them and offer them a free video, and most likely they're going to be interested, and they can just film a video for themselves and then send it over to you and you edit it up. Because the goal is to show them what you can do for free. Because the goal here is to show them what value you can bring to them. And when you're messaging this business owner, be genuine. Don't come across as harsh. Do not critique their content in a bad way, because trust me, I've seen a lot of editors do that and it just does not come off in a good way. So compliment their content, but also tell them the value that you can bring to them. This is your chance to impress the potential prospect, so keep it professional and friendly. Once this edit is done, you want to upload it to Dropbox or Google Drive, and you want to send it over to them. And you can send it to them through email, Instagram, or TikTok DMs. And once you've done all this, tell them that they can post it for free on their social medias. And guess what? If they like your work, they will respond, and you can then have a further conversation with them. Will you have to send out a bunch of free edits to land your first clients? Yes, you will. But here's the thing, it will eventually work. You're not just sending random videos. You're building a relationship with potential clients. And even if they don't need editing right away, stay in touch with them. Keep the conversation going over months and be genuine. And guess what? Months or even years later, this potential prospect will message you back, because you're going to be the first person they think about when it comes to their editing needs. Because you edited them a free video, and this has happened to me quite a bit. Months or years ago, I would make a free edit for these business owners, and then later on, they would eventually message me back and they needed some work done from me. And the best way I've built my freelance clientele over the years is by word of mouth. One referral leads to another, and eventually over time, it's just going to be a snowball effect, and you're just going to get countless connections based off that first client that you got. For me personally, I work with a few agencies and they bring the client work to me, but I also do have clients that I work directly with, which is better because that means I'm going to make more. And guess what? Word of mouth keeps feeding the pipeline. And that's the power of a good reputation and offering one free edit. Now, if you're a freelance video editor, then I want to hear from you in the comments. I honestly want to know, how did you land your first client, or are you watching this video to see how you can land your first client? And have any of you used Fiverr or Upwork? Because personally, I have never used those platforms to find clients, and I've always used my own social media brand to find them. But let me know in the comments what methods you have to find clientele. I actually have a free Discord community in the description down below, where we all can give free value to one another and help each other grow. And if you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.